Alright everyone, in today's video I want to bring you another unlocking tutorial. This time we're going to show you how to unlock the pattern lock screen on your Samsung A23. Just a reminder, this procedure will erase everything stored in the phone's memory. So make sure to remove your SIM card and your memory card as well. In some cases you need to connect the USB cable to your computer, but you don't need to download any software files or anything like that. So you can leave it on this screen where the pattern lock is, or on the emergency screen, it doesn't matter. You're gonna press the volume down button and the power button together at the same time. When the phone restarts, release the volume down button and press the volume up button. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, release the power button and keep holding the volume up button. Release the volume down button now and press the volume up button, just like I said. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, release the power button and keep holding the volume up button, as we mentioned, until it enters recovery mode. Let's wait here for a few seconds. Some models take a little longer, others a little less. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I'd like to ask you to subscribe and also leave your like. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. I'd like to remind you that this procedure also works for other Samsung models. If you need to unlock a Google account, our number is in the description for you to check the prices. So once you get to this screen, scroll down to the fifth option by pressing the minuses button where it says wipe data, factory reset and confirm with the power button. On this next screen, scroll down with the minus button and confirm again with the power button. Let's wait for this process to finish so we can continue with the unlocking. Let's go. On this screen, just confirm with the power button. And here your device is already being unlocked, formatted and restored to its original factory settings. You'll see that it will come back without that default password, and you just need to set it up normally to access your device. If this video helped you, and if you can, within your means, make a contribution to our channel, our Pix key is in the video description. That was today's video. Thanks, take care.